Happy Sankranti guys, what is happening? Vimal here back with a new video. Hope you all are enjoying the festival. Today I have something very interesting to show you all. I'm pretty sure a lot of people keep looking to buy like an all-rounder monitor for your day-to-day office needs, content creation, or even for your gaming needs, right? From around like 10,000 to 15,000 rupees budget, you people came to the right video. We have something new in the home today from Zebronics. It's a new model guys, just launched in the market. Model is called a Zeb N27C and has some very interesting features. I was actually like quite surprised looking at the spec sheet and also the pricing details. First of all, this is a 27 inches 1440p QHD resolution, 180 Hz high refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRT, that too with like 99% sRGB color gamut range, IPS gaming monitor guys. And best part is the pricing. We'll talk about all of these details in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new gaming monitor from Zebronics came in this sort of packaging. Simple sort of packaging. You just have the picture of the product on the front and mentions the model as well. This is from the Pure Pixel series. Model is called a Zeb N27C. So quickly opening it, there you go boys, we have some accessories at the top side. And let me tell you, this particular model comes in a beautiful and clean white finish, especially if you have like a white themed gaming PC or a setup, right? It's gonna sit very well with your setup. Keeping that aside, this is your monitor stand. Basically the neck and stand assembly come separately. You'll have to fix it. Installation is very simple guys, just like any other gaming monitor. Not an issue at all. Along with that, you're also getting some cables and stuff. This one is your power adapter. You're getting an external power adapter along with a mains cord included, and a free DP cable is also there. Last but not least, you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read that, and some wall mounting installation screws. Yes, this monitor can also be wall mounted. So that's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally unpack the monitor and check out how it looks like. The Zeb N27C, as I've told you, is a 27 inches 180 Hz 1440p QHD gaming monitor and has some very interesting features. Talking about the design, you're getting a very clean and beautiful looking design. I mean, look at the front profile over here. Bezels on that panel look very minimum on the sides and the top. On the bottom, you do have a bit of chin. At the center, you're getting a Zebronics logo, Pure Pixel branding, and not to miss out, on the bottom side just below the display is where you're getting your 5-way navigational joystick. Talking about the build quality, as I've told you guys, body is entirely made of like polycarbonate material, yet feels quite sturdy and durable. And one more thing I forgot to mention is about the adjustability. The monitor is fully adjustable. You can adjust the height, pivot, swivel, and also tilt option as well guys, making it great for content creators and for productivity sort of usage. The monitor also has like RGB ambient lighting at the backside guys. I mean, Zebronics, seriously, for this price point they're even offering like ambient lighting? Though unfortunately you cannot apply various lighting effects. You're getting a fixed RGB spectrum lighting, but you do have an option to either turn it on or off from the monitor's OSD menu. So before we move on and talk about the panel specs and also display quality, first of all let me show you all the available I/O connectivity ports you're getting on this model. All the ports are present at the back profile, easily accessible, and yes, you do have a cable management slot as well to organize all your cable neatly through the neck of the stand. Anyways, you're getting a DC in port for the adapter, 2 HDMI ports are available, 2 more DP ports are there, and last but not the least, you're also getting a 3.5mm headphone jack guys. But unfortunately, you're not getting any USB hub sort of integration on this model, so you can't connect your peripherals. But again, considering the price point, I think it's quite acceptable. And just below that, you see these two cutouts on the left and right profile. These are your built-in speakers. The monitor also comes with like built-in stereo speakers, so it's like a full-on package for the price point. We'll anyhow talk about the speaker quality and performance at a later part in the video. First of all, what I'll do is I'll quickly connect it to my PC, set it up, and first talk about the panel specs and also move on to the display quality part. I've told you right, Zebronics all new N27C is a 27 inches QHD, basically 1440p resolution IPS gaming monitor that offers up to like 180 Hz high refresh rate, 1 millisecond MPRT response time, and also comes with like HDR10 support. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll quickly play some videos on this monitor, just have a look at that, and then we'll come back and share my experience about the panel quality and also about the gaming experience as well. So you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now I've played a variety of content on this monitor, guys, not just like simple YouTube videos. Watched a couple of movies and also web series on OTT platforms like Netflix and also Prime Video, and was like quite impressed with the overall picture quality, guys. And not just that, we'll definitely come to the gaming part and talk about the gaming highlights. But before that, let me tell you, this monitor is like an all-rounder, guys. I mean, you can use it for content creation purpose and also for entertainment, media consumption, office related works, and obviously gaming as well. First of all, you're getting a large 27 inches quad HD resolution display, right? So no matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be for like reading purpose, websites or blogs as well, right? Good amount of detail at this size. Everything is like quite sharp, crisp and clear, easily understandable, not an issue at all. Talking about the contrast ratio and black levels, you're getting an IPS panel on board, right? So good contrast levels and also decent black levels as well. And coming to the colors, now this panel supports up to like 99% sRGB color gamut range, and not to miss out, up to 93% DCI-P3 color gamut range. And for a monitor in this budget segment, right, it is actually pretty decent, I would say. You're getting great colors and color accuracy, color reproduction, everything were like pretty much on point and had like a quite satisfactory experience, especially if you're buying this monitor for like content creation or productivity purpose. Maybe you do a bit of image editing, photo editing on Photoshop, or even for like color grading, video editing purpose, right? You'll actually be like quite satisfied with the overall results on this panel. Keeping that aside and talking about the brightness part, the panel can go almost up to like 280, 300 nits of brightness, and mostly you use these monitors in indoor situations, right? Maybe in your room, bedroom, and this sort of stuff. You'll be like quite happy and satisfied with the overall results. Keeping the display part aside, let me also tell you about the audio performance. On board, the monitor literally comes with like built-in stereo speakers, which is actually quite hard to find on a gaming monitor around this budget price segment, guys. And let me tell you, for your day-to-day sort of office requirements, or maybe like for casual sort of work experience, right, these built-in speakers would easily get your job done, guys. Only thing is, audio output was a bit limited. So if you're looking for a pro sort of experience, right, then I would advise you to go for some external set of speakers. But if you're a bit tight on a budget and you cannot spend on these external speakers or soundbars, then these built-in speakers will get your job done for your day-to-day sort of requirement. Alright, now comes the main part. How is the overall gaming performance on this monitor? First of all, let me tell you, for this price point, you're getting a large 27 inches quad HD resolution IPS display, and main highlight would be its refresh rate, guys. You're getting a really high refresh rate of up to 180 Hz with 1 millisecond MPRT response time. Now, one thing I do have to mention is, if you actually connect this monitor to your PC via HDMI cable, the max refresh rate you can apply is only up to 144 Hz. If you want to access that full potential 180 Hz, make sure you connect this monitor to your PC via DP cable, guys, DisplayPort cable. Otherwise, you're not gonna get that 180 Hz option. Keeping that aside, one more question I keep getting a lot is, what about the color depth of this panel? So usually around this price point, you get around like 6-bit or 8-bit color depth monitors, guys, and that to 8-bit in some of the models, right? You get like 6-bit plus 2-bit FRC, but that is not the case over here. Zebronics has actually not compromised on the panel quality. You're getting a 10-bit color depth display, guys. I mean, look at this. You can simply open your graphic control panel on your computer and check out all the details. Here you'll find that you can enable 10-bit color depth. Not to miss out, you're also getting support for VESA adaptive sync, right? So this includes both LFC and low latency, and you people know, right, if you want to experience like a smooth gaming performance, then higher refresh rates and lower latency is quite essential. And not only that, they also reduce the motion blur, screen tearing, and also the ghosting effects as minimum as possible. And by the way, I told you that the response time of this monitor is 1 millisecond, right? So that is actually MPRT, not G2G. So G2G response time I found on the panel is roughly around like 4.5 to 5 milliseconds. What I'll do is I'll just play some games over here. Just check out these demos. You'll get an idea on the gaming performance on the ZEB N27C. Oh wow, are you people looking at the gameplay? Gaming on this monitor feels absolutely good, guys. I mean, look at that buttery smooth experience. It's all thanks to that really high refresh rate and also adaptive sync support. Especially if you're coming from like a 1080p resolution monitor, and that too from 60 Hz or 75 Hz to this quad HD resolution up to 180 Hz, right? Night and day difference is what I can say. Initially, I was a bit skeptical how the overall performance would be, but nothing like that, guys. Absolutely good performance for the price that you're paying. I've played a variety of games like Spider-Man, Horizon Forbidden West, and also some other FPS titles like Valorant and Fortnite as well. Really good performance on this model. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. Our detailed video on Zebronics all new N27C gaming monitor. See, if you're looking for a higher resolution 27 inches gaming monitor, right, under 15,000 rupees price segment, this could actually be like a really good choice for you. Only thing, if I had to nitpick, right, I wish it had a USB hub integration as well, so I could connect some extra peripherals directly to the monitor. And apart from that, coming to the pricing details, so the regular pricing of this monitor is around like 16,998 rupees, but you're also getting a 2,000 rupees coupon directly included on Amazon. Simply apply that and the pricing of this monitor will come down straight to 14,998 rupees, guys. And on top of that, you do get some additional bank discounts and offers. So considering all of that, I would say it's a value for money gaming monitor around this price point. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it and found it useful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.